Welcome to Drawing Box Studio, and today we are going to make Wolverine, and let's draw it. And this Wolverine is very angry, and we will start from the eyes. Make an eye like this. So you will make an eye like this, and the other eye from a little distance, far away from that. Same height and width, little edgy eye, and make a line like this. Now we are going to make his mask line. So follow the line of the eye like this, and a line, and the same process over here. We are going to make the face line. And where the line is ending, we are going to make the mask here and connect to this. And the same thing over here. Same height as the Batman mask, and connect to this. And over here, color it in black. This is the lower side of the mask. And the same process over here. This is the chain coming. So I'll tell you, this is the chain coming line. Like this. Because he's wearing a mask. And now we just have to make a headline. From this edge to this edge, you have to just connect to edges, and our mask of the Wolverine is ready, and this is his chain. And first we are going to make the outer side of the face. Make a line like this and a straight line like this, a little edgy from the chin area, and the outer side of the face is ready. Now we are going to make the mouth, because he is yelling. So make a line like this, a little curve from over here, edgy, and the mouth outer line is ready. Now we have to make the teeth. This is his canine teeth, a long one. Don't have to make all the teeth, just make the canine, and for the white one make a curved line, and we will repeat the process over here. This is a little far from the first one. This is the center. Make a little curve, so you will get the teeth effect like over here. Don't have to make all the teeth. And this is the tongue. This is his tongue. And now we will color it in black, so you will see more clearly. And it will look more beautiful when you color it, because it will give us contrast, and the human likes the contrast. this is looking very cool right now. You can use pencil colors to make it more colorful. And the face of Wolverine is ready. Now we have to make little lines like this because he's a hairy man. That don't break the flow. And as you can see, it is looking more attractive right now. Okay, now we are going to make the body. For body, first make a neckline like this and curve it, and beside that make his costume holder like this, and for the other side same process, and this is his suit lines. Okay, make a little edgy. Okay, now we are going to make the arm. First we will make the arm. For arm, make a straight line, little diagonal. This is his thumb, like a question mark, as you can see. This is first finger, second, and there we go, third one. This is paw. And now we have to make the knife, that edgy. Okay, the knives are ready. This is his band, color it in black. Okay, along with the first line, make the second, and your arm is ready. Now we are going to make the second arm. Make a curve line, the second curve line, and the thumb like a question mark. This is paw, the first finger, second, and the third. This is the band. We will color it in black. Okay. Don't break the floor, so you will get the knife and make the hairs. Okay, now we are going to make the legs. Follow the line and make a line like this. This is his shoe. This is his leg, and from the shoes the leg is coming out like this, and make a line. This is for the second leg. From a little far away from that, make a line of the second leg, and the shoe same V shape. And for the same floor, make a line, so you will get the same height of the feet. And there is the second leg. And for the belt, to make it more attractive, we are going to make the belt, color it in black. Okay, and for the more detail of his uniform, and our character Wolverine is ready. Thanks for watching Drawing Box Studio and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.